saying? The crime and violence, stop the crime and violence, store where they are supplying it. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, the community I'm back to, and you don't know so we got to. We have to spread the message, we have to spread the word. People, me I tell you, say, next week is going to be preview, so come catch a main view, come catch a preview. And we there so with words, you know, and we use words, sound and power, poetry, to analyze and scrutinize and just straighten the minds of the people there. So we want the youth them to just come out and just full joy themselves, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So I step forward, bragging boot and beltless look. With some words from my tongue to make the concern listen and the guilty run. Society now broke no bread, but the youth them now hold the meds. Them slow to reasoning, morning, noon and evening. Why see the mind with corruption like powdered seasoning? Them face it tough up, them waistline puff up. And when them crack and pop up and the thing them clap up and just the gun. I just the gun. Man chop a ground and the colors of cherry start run. Them a murderer. When we call them murderer. Yeah man, we there saying back to you know. You don't know, so we got to spread the message for the people them, you know what I mean? It's a charitable organization. Wise words, we're there. Bad Mix TV, up in my family.
Before they again.
Blessed love, you don't know, so stratus in the house live. Majesty they were guarding, here we are going now. Back up, but them know so we live, you know. Queen Kamala. You have a real steel, identical. Angel's eyes, so there, you know what I say. Latch up. All the ladies, them stratus them. Cause when I sleep, often dream about you, girl. Oh yeah. When the ghosts were live in the house, later on, I move fire.
Alright, number 2! Contestant number 2! Run the team! Don't make nobody do it bad, make everybody enjoy themselves. Yeah! Alright, yes sir. Contestant number 3. The two want to come over here, sir. Contestant number 3.
Me I tell you, you're bad like yours. What's your name, little one? Something that small, but you really look small. Tell me your name. Christopher Gainer. But boy, me I tell you, drop the rhythm again.
Drop a new rhythm.
Competition I get too hot. I used to put a big sponsor them go there and take me out on the stage. So you want to go man, you know, Queen Kamala will say the thing set away. Prince, you saw the thing there in the bar, not stay far. Yeah, man, Catalyst Entertainment Group. I FM, see them banner up there, so they crank it up, and we say, Caesar Kalanji, big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man, Flame Sports Bar, Simple Table TV. Bad Big Stevie, so Bad Big in that crowd there. Jam Styles, Big Stone, Your Choice Courier Service, Danny Reds, Little Wayne Printing Service, Profile Wheels, Majestic Garden, PMI, Wild Rise, and Wild Rise, the kids them still have Wild Rise. But right about now, the thing, wild on the stage. Let's go again.
Contestant number 2, you ready for this thing? You ready for done it? Who wants to see you done it? Run the track. Contestant, and when you call him up, you begin room. Alright! You don't know, I don't want to juggle, I want the man dance. Yeah, go on with the same thing. Let me show the man that. I just come past here. We just want to see when. I just want to give my time to go on, my you. And I was not selling for myself. I was selling for other people. When I go home, I used to have the little, you know, the little teapot there, and the little dolly stove. And that me used to cook my little rice and peas, and I eat my little food and all sleep on my friend them floor. At the age of 15, my little brothers and sisters' mother went to foreign and I was schooling them because I decided to become a go-go dancer at the age of 15 and lie about my age. When I got my passport for the first time, I went to passport office and pawned off a little money upon the man and him give me one birth certificate and one passport. I did not have a legal birth certificate or a legal passport. I was not registered. I registered myself at the age of 25 years old. When I went to my mother to register me and my father, you know what, them turned to me and said, "Them not no time for that." So I had to ask my brother to follow me. So let me tell you something. You see, if your mother is there, honor thy mother and thy father that is there for you. And fathers, it's time for you to step up for the little ones. Stop turning your back on them, because the stone that the builder refused shall be the head cornerstone. Because I had to bury my father and put him down in the ground when nobody else, none of my sisters and brothers would do it. My mother right now, everybody turn her back on her. I'm the only one that is there that she can call every day, even though she was not there for me when I was younger. So, this little ghetto where we're there now, many great ones come out of it. Look at a Beanie Man. Look at a Bounty Killer. Look at a Shabba.
True that.
All of these great artists is coming from the ghetto. And it's not that them is here. Them learn that later on in the streets as street smart with street smart. If you have one bulla and at that you eat for the day, do not complain about it, because other people out there is worse than you. I hear a mother said to me the other day, said she have 5 pitney. She then at the ghetto, she have 5 boys. And she said to me, when she feeding those 5 boys, she asked each person what they want to eat. I turned to her and said, I am a supermodel and my kids have plenty food in the house, but they have to eat what I cook. They have to learn to eat everything in life, because you never know when my eye will be closed and they have no one around to help them. So they have to learn to satisfy with whatever little they get. Sometimes I give it me eat. Sometimes my brother and I buy half pound of rice and we go pick 2 ackee. 2 ackee, what my ackee we pick out and that we eat. Yes. Sometimes we're fortunate to pick, so you know, we go and people me I go take up 2 ackee and then we go sell them and things. One time me and my brother find $500, the greatest thing to me. About 3 weeks it lasts with her. I buy food. So let me tell you something, kids. If you don't have no parents I love them back. You understand me? Listen to them. Go to school and learn what you have to learn. Because I could have been greater in my life if my family was here to give me an education. Yes, I was street smart, but I could have been better in my life. You see later on, before my eyes closed, I want to see no fun look up and walk up to me and say, you remember me? You know say me a lawyer now? You know say me a teacher, me a doctor? You know say me a supermodel? Whatever you is, do not discriminate from no job that you have to do. Just do it and do it to the best of your ability, and God will elevate you. It's all about God elevation. We have enough kids here with bright futures. Look at the dancers, them can be the next great dancers in the world. You don't know what they will become in life. You understand me? As what I say, my name is Nadine Willis, and Majestic God, and I thank you for listening to me. Good night.
Well, we can feel safe, even when we listen. If we all come up, the rich get richer. But we have money for good dinner. Listen to my sound, hear my voice, yeah. See the picture, we were born to be winners. Not because the way we are sinner. For this reason, I became a singer. Spread love, even if you're a beginner. Job there, the one who will live in now. Say a prayer and put your head higher. It hurts me to the core. It hurts me to the core. It hurts me. He's a ghetto girl, as we said before. You see what I mean there? But up on the stage, I present myself. Right now, I get to people. But when I have to be get to people, I want to have to see it in the reality for the rest of our life.
One big tree, man.
Alright, so we're the Majestic Arts Performing Arts Club, and really and truly the piece that we're going to do tonight, it took us 2 days, yesterday and the day before. So we hope that you guys like it. It's called It's Up to Stop. Alright, let's go.
Yeah, put it on this, yeah.
You're here talking about blue skies and London. Are you forgetting about the crime and violence that is going on in your country? What are you talking about? Fix it up, man.
It's up to stop. Yes, it's up to stop. Must stop. The crime and violence. Yes, it's up to stop. It's up to stop. Yes, it's up to stop. Must stop. The crime and violence. Yes, it's up to stop. So all of the youth say, well, I lock off the gun. But take up your book and put it down. It's up to stop. Yes, it's up to stop. The crime and violence. Yes, it's up to stop. Give me the book. One day, man chop a rum. Man I run out of the blood. Man it go. It's up to stop. It's up to stop. The crime and violence. Yes, it's up to stop. It's up to stop. Yes, it's up to stop. The crime and violence. Yes, it's up to stop. Moscow, you don't want to get drawn with in the corner. Someone run to shoot or beat banana. You're not even ready to take step running boats. He want to real people with him papaya. Yes, it's up to stop. The crime and violence. Yes, it's up to stop. It's up to stop. Yes, it's up to stop. The crime and violence. Yes, it's up to stop.
Imagine me, I walk on my head in my phone. How to make a stop?
Hey, girl, no turn.
Waist, box cross my face, but for what?
See the pizza Alcatel in your waist. It's up to stop. Yes, it's up to stop. Pedophile, criminal. Yes, the one of them. It's up to stop. Yes, it's up to stop. The crime and violence. Yes, it's up to stop. It's up to stop. Yes, it's up to stop. The crime and violence. Yes, it's up to stop.
We need to make a talk about human trafficking. Cause people like your son no see a serious thing. Them take you from your mother and your father, who you rather from your life in a chain. Put your brain on your brain. Them beat you, them force you, we do them dirty deeds, and in the end, I told the father we for plead it up and stop.
Yes, it's up to stop.
The crime and violence, yes it up and stop, it up and stop. Yes it up and stop. The crime and violence, yes it up and stop, it up and stop, it up and stop, it up and stop, it up and stop. The crime and violence, yes it up and stop, it up and stop, it up and stop, it up and stop, it up and stop. The crime and violence, yes it up and stop.
The microphone check. This one. Yeah. This in one. The microphone check one. This one.
Yeah.
Yeah.